Gory images have emerged showing a Ryanair plane splattered with dead birds after it hit a flock. The Boeing 737 was flying from Stansted to Bologna, Italy, and was coming into land when it struck what were thought to be herons or ducks. It is understood that the aircraft's right engine sucked in birds in its inflow as the pilot was approaching the airport. Footage reportedly showed what is thought to be the plane suffering an engine fire. Images show the cockpit windscreen splattered with carcasses. Despite the potential danger of hitting a flock of birds, the plane landed safely. The Sun Online has contacted Ryanair for comment. It comes as a Ryanair flight traveling to Lanzarote was forced to turn back in October amid reports it collided with a bird. The 7:50 a.m. flight from Manchester Airport had to land at Liverpool John Lennon Airport at 9:23 a.m. According to FlightAware, the Ryanair flight was experiencing delays of around 25 minutes, which is said to be increasing. Another user suggested a bird strike on takeoff was the cause of the louder engines. A Ryanair spokesman said, "This flight from Manchester to Lanzarote diverted to Liverpool Airport following a minor bird strike." The aircraft landed normally, and customers were transferred to a replacement aircraft which departed to Lanzarote following a short delay of approximately 1 hour. Ryanair sincerely apologized to all affected customers.